Makeup tutorial you guys requested. A black palette. Leo Pro Eye Palette. No way, it just died on me. Back with a new baby. Remember to drag it straight out. Tada! A black eye palette. Use the darkest contour shade to draw your idiosol. And clean it up with a little concealer. Glitter. Use any eye glitter pen. Use more glitters. Eyelash are very important. Long manga eyelashes. Cut it into small individual lashes. 2, 3, 4. Revolution, contour, and highlight palette. Rare Beauty Liquid Blush Joy. Dab, 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 dab. Blendy blend. Ta-da! Hehe. You're welcome, guys.